Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm within Google Sheet version. So basically, this was an Excel sheet with the VBA code, which was required to clear the extra data, the old data maybe, and prepare for the next year. So let me give you a quick overview that I have made some changes in it and I have modified the code as well. So here you can see this is the drop down which you can select, and obviously the date will get shifted. And in the initial setup, whenever there is an off day, Saturday, Sunday, or any off official day, which is coming from this list, the drop down cannot be used on that one. Let me show you. Here you can see the drop down is here, but we cannot use. But here on the days, work days, we can see. So but we cannot have that control in here. So instead of that, what I've done, I have created a code which which will identify that whatever the holidays or Saturday, Sundays are there, it will skip for that particular day's drop down. So there will be no drop down, so that you don't need to select anything in here as well. So for example, if I'll select 2024 and the day structure is different for that, so you need to click this button. I don't know if you can see this button or not. Let me refresh the file so that you can see as well. So here you will see the drop downs are set for the Saturday, Sundays, and let me take you to. All right, so I was checking in the wrong year. So basically, we have input for the year 2022. So I can only check in that one. So I was selecting 24 and checking against that date. So I'll make it 22 again, and I'll click on this button. So you can see, unfortunately, we have a Saturday, Sunday on the same date. Let me find this one, 15th, 4th. Here it is. 15th, 4, no drop downs available. And for the 18th, 4 as well. Let's find out if 18th is also, yeah. 18th is also a off day, 5-1. Let's check this one as well. 5-1 is obviously Saturday, Sunday. So let's check for the 26th, 5th, 26th of 5th. So yeah, everything is working fine now. And the functionalities are there. Only the drop down, like the in the Excel, the drop down was there, but you were unable to select. In this case, there will be no drop downs. So now if you will make any changes in here, and if you will update the holidays for the 2025 in here, those will obviously automatically get reflected in here as well. You just need to click this button, and that is it. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review so that we can get started with the offer again. Thank you.